Here's one I just did. They want the date off of it. And let me tell you, they're very lucky we were able to do this. Pretty cool. Want to know more? Hit me up. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. Okay, we got a board, 6+ we decided. We hooked it up to the power. This, we're going to go ahead and see how we did. See if that TriStar we replaced is good. Plug it in. It boots. Prop the boot out. And voila. This is what, there's a boot loop. That is not really a boot loop. It's resetting. And this is what modern forensic stuff looks like. Cool. I really like these numbers. These numbers are good. It means my solder job was good. Look at that. Look at that. It's good to go.